Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Your Lenovo must run Windows 10 or 11 and have updated display drivers so Miracast works reliably. Once done, make sure the TV or projector supports Miracast or has an adapter like Chromecast or AirPlay. That's why compatibility matters. Next, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi and close bandwidth-heavy apps. Now open Action Center or Settings. We're beginning the first actionable step to project, so keep focus and follow the next sequence carefully. You open Action Center with Win plus A or the notification icon, then tap Connect to see available displays. This is where selection happens. Choose your target, then pick Duplicate or Extend depending on whether you want the same screen or extra workspace. Make sure to adjust display resolution in Settings System Display so text remains sharp. Mismatched resolutions cause scaling issues. If the system asks for a PIN or Bluetooth approval, accept it on both devices to complete the secure handshake. This finalizes the live connection. Once connected, you can use Windows plus P to toggle between modes quickly. Choose Disconnect when finished. If the screen won't appear, first reboot both devices and update wireless and display drivers. These steps fix most handshake problems. Make sure both devices remain on the same subnet and disable VPNs that block device discovery. If wireless remains unstable, switch to a wired HDMI or USB-C connection. A cable often resolves latency or compatibility issues and gets you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.